Hello everyone, you are watching Billion Dreamers. Today we are going to learn that how to import a video clip to Shotcut and how to trim it. So it's pretty easy in Shotcut. It's a free software for video editing and I can say it is one of the best. So let's go ahead and see how we can do. So first, once you open your Shotcut in one of my previous videos I have shown you that how to download install the Shotcut. If you don't have Shotcut and still you wanna have it, you can go back to my other video and you can see that how to download and install. But once the Shotcut is installed, you can go to open file and you can import any video here. So once the video is imported, okay, what you need to do in while adding the timeline, because timeline is a place where you can edit your video, you can cut it, you can trim it, you can make the changes, you can extract the audio, you can separate the audio and video, differently. So as you can see, this option is showing here timeline. What you can do, since it's a video track, so you need to add video track here. V1 is showing first video track and you can drag it here. So now your video is added to timeline. Here is a scroller. You can say you can zoom out and zoom in if you want. You can make it smaller or you can make it bigger. So this video is just 36 second video, that's why it is taking only this much of space. But if you are editing a video which is really long, then it becomes very long. So this is how you can make it short and see that okay, where you need to trim it. Okay, so let's go to trimming and cutting part. Suppose if you wanna trim it from, hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how 5:16, so 5 seconds and 16 milliseconds. So once your this particular line is here, okay, if you want to make it to 5:16, then go to 5:16 and you can press on this one. Here you can say that it is said split at playhead. So once you press it and boom, your video is trimmed here, it's cut. And now both, it has divided into two parts. Whichever part you want, you can separate it, you can delete it. So suppose I don't want this part, then I can go and remove this video. If I don't want this part, then I can remove this part as well. So let's take an example that I don't want this part and I have removed that part. At last I'll cut it from here. So this tiny part, and sometimes it can be smaller than this one, okay, and you won't be able to particularly select that. So that is where this thing works really well. Can you see that it's increasing, and this way you can see it clearly, you can select it and remove it. So once you have done the editing part, or you have done the splitting part of your video, now you need to export your video, and there it comes, the export file option. If you don't have this option, like, okay, let me close this one. Currently I don't have this option. You can find this option at the top of the window, last option. You click it and boom, you got it. If I talk about the settings of video export, it should always be in MP4. I mean, they have given so many options here, but I would suggest to export it in MP4 because it will give you a better resolution of the video. Resolution you should set to 920 into 180 because this is the resolution which will give you a high definition video. So I would suggest you to have this path set, and once you set with this, you can just go and say that okay, export video. Here it will pop up an option where you want to save your video. Let's say it on desktop. You need to name your video. Let me see that. Okay, it's gonna be 123 ABC, sorry, and it is exporting now. So very soon it will be exported to your desktop and in MP4 format, so you can see that. But since I'm just showing this for demo purpose for you guys, so I don't need this. What I can do is stop this job. Okay, so your video will be exported here and you can watch it, you can see it very clearly. So this is what I wanted to show you. It's a very simple method. This is how you can trim your video in Shotcut. Thank you very much guys. You were watching Billion Trimmers. I would request you to subscribe, like and share my channel. It really encourages me to make more videos for you guys, and if you need any kind of help, please write me in comment section. I'll come back and I'll try to solve it out. Thank you very much.